Good morning to everyone. In this video, we will see the demonstration of blood and blood component therapy.
Today we will study about demonstration of blood transfusion, and the article required for blood transfusion is a tray containing Macintosh with towel to prevent the spillage of blood, gloves to prevent cross infection, BT set with filter, kidney tray and paper bag to discard the waste, tourniquet to visualization of vein, bowl with cotton, 2 cc syringe, cannula, 18 gauge of cannula, 18 gauge of cannula commonly used for blood transfusion, then adhesive tape to fix the cannula, scissor for blood requisition form, stethoscope and sphygmomanometer to check the vitals of patient. Obtain informed consent from the patient before starting the transfusion. This is the consent form for blood transfusion. So this is the requisition form for blood and blood component transfusion, in which first here you can see patient name, age and sex, then registration number and weight of ward, and this is the information from blood bank, in which donors group, donors number, then cross match done by which process, then issued time एंड चेक्ड बाय मेडिकल ऑफिसर मीन्स जो डॉक्टर चेक करेगा उसका साइन होगा, देन एक नर्सिंग स्टाफ जो होंगे वो चेक करेंगे, उनका साइन होगा. देन हेयर नेम ऑफ द पेशेंट एंड नेम ऑफ विटनेस. पेशेंट का नेम एंड उनका सिग्नेचर होना है. देन विटनेस में उनके रिलेटिव्स किसी का भी नेम लिखना है प्लस उनका सिग्नेचर होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे डॉक्टर का साइन होना है.
Inspect the blood product by 2 nurses. We have to inspect the blood for identification number, blood group and type, expiry date, compatibility, patient name, abnormal color and excess air, etc.
This BT set, here you can see the spike. We enters this spike into the blood products. Then chamber with filter. This filter can filters the clot if there is present in blood component. Then drip chamber, tubings, roller to regulate the flow of blood, then needle. Before starting the procedure, we have to check the physician order, then explain the procedure to the patient. ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन का जो प्रोसीजर होता है वो 3 to 4 आवर्स चलता है. इसके लिए हम लोग को पेशेंट को एडवाइस करना है कि वो वॉशरूम जाए और यूरिन करके आ जाए या अपना जो भी पानी पीना है वो सब कर दे, क्योंकि 3 से 4 घंटे जो रहते हैं ब्लड कंटिन्यू चलते रहते हैं. प्रोवाइड कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन टू द पेशेंट एंड चेक द वाइटल्स. Check the temperature, pulse and respiration of the patient. Now hand washing. Hand washing done. Check the extremities of patient for the presence of cannula. If not, then we have to insert the cannula. Spread Macintosh and towel to prevent the spillage of blood. Now hand washing. Wear the gloves. Check the patency of cannula and flush normal saline. Fill the tubings of blood and drain 1 to 2 drops in kidney tray. Cover the blood with towel before transfusion.
Don't transfuse the blood directly receiving from the blood bank. It should be pre-warm the blood equal to room temperature.
Connect the tubings of BT set
Start the infusion of blood product slowly at the rate of 25 to 50 ml per hour for the first 15 minutes. Stay with patient for first 15 minutes.
Check the vitals after 15 minutes.
Increase infusion rate if no adverse reaction are noticed. The flow rate should be within safe limit. Assess for adverse effect. If any, stop infusion and start saline.
Dispose blood product in a proper container and replace article. Wash your hand and record all the documents.
Record following: product and volume transfused, number of donor and blood group, time of administration started and completed, name and signature of nursing staff carrying out procedure, and patient condition.